Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. We're just taking a really quick look at Vechain here today on the daily time frame. As always, thank you for checking back for another daily video for cryptos in general. You're all absolutely amazing. So without further ado, we are just taking a really quick look at Vechain here, and as we could see, looking like we are still chopping it up in this tiny little area here between this descending resistance of this wedge that we have seen here, currently sitting resistance at around that 2 cent level, and obviously that swing support that we have seen for a good while. Back here obviously support flipped into resistance, and then we come back down, resistance, support, resistance, just kind of chopping things up here. And really we are just having a little bit of a renaissance bounce today, with Bitcoin bouncing yet again off that 30k level and continuing to range. And right now you could see Vechain just coming back up again to retest the high of that resistance that is descending with this wedge here. Really not that much to say apart from that in terms of what is actually happening here with Vechain. Just very clearly come down, retested support, and now getting a bounce, highly correlated to Bitcoin. And a quick look at the hourly time frame will show you that that is the case pretty much entirely. You can see it very, very clearly here. Basically, we've just been chopping it up between these two resistances and supports for a little while now. For basically the past week or so, you'd say, you know, resistance, support, support, and now heading up again to resistance. Just basically trying to figure out what it wants to do, isn't it? Because right now the volume is very low, the interest is very low in Vechain, but I do think it's going to have its day once the bull market does start to come around. And we have ticked over into those 800 days, basically since the last halving, where we do start to see Bitcoin heading up, typically speaking. So it'll be interesting to see what happens next. Right now my price prediction for Vechain is, you know, a retest of that 2 cent level, and then maybe a retracement. Obviously if Bitcoin starts to move up in a big way, we'll be coming up and breaking through this level, in my opinion, heading up more towards that 2.2 cent level. Finally breaking out of this descending wedge pattern would be, you know, what we're looking for. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. As always, like and subscribe, get involved. Come back tomorrow for another video, and I'll see you in the next one.